Here's our this slider mounting machine for plastic zipper can mount different puller. Look at here, you can see three quite a puller. One puller with the fancy puller with the hole with fancy puller. This is a 512 puller. This is a normal puller. And also this machine can mount the puller just with hook. But because the fancy puller is so longer and here has the hook, has the hole. So it's a better separate different slider on the vibrator. I mean, when you want to mount this slider, please just use this quite of slider. When you mount this slider and just put this quite of slider here. So different slider you separate it and put them into this vibrator, and then it can mount very smooth. So it means now for this machine you can mount 4 quite of slider. Look at the slider with the hooker with fancy puller, and this is 512 puller, and this is normal puller, and this is a hooker puller with this quite of fancy puller, and also the slider just with the hooker. So if you are interested for this machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Look at different puller.